Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Benz GLE. Focus on performance, comfort, tech, and ownership costs to find the best fit for your needs. I'll highlight driving feel, interior quality, cargo space, fuel efficiency, and tech features, and give clear trade-offs so you can pick the right luxury SUV without confusion. I'll also mention maintenance expectations and resale value. When comparing performance, think about real-world driving, not just peak horsepower numbers. The BMW X5 leans toward a firmer, more engaging drive, while the GLE aims for composed comfort and reassuring isolation. Braking, steering feel, and transmission mapping change the character a lot, so test drive both on twisty roads and highways to sense the difference and confirm which driving personality suits you best. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep. They stop spills and fit neatly in center consoles and trunks. They make pit stops easier when you're testing cars or commuting between dealerships. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you grab one, you'll thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. Interior choice often decides daily satisfaction, so compare seat comfort, visibility, and control ergonomics. BMW offers a cockpit that favors driver engagement and clear menus, while Mercedes presents a softer, more luxurious cabin with rich materials. Both offer advanced driver assists, but their user interfaces and touchscreen responsiveness feel distinct. Check rear seat space and cargo practicality too, since family use or gear hauling changes which cabin matters most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.